How to merge MS Word file into one document. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. So I need to take one fresh documents, or you can take your main file and you can add others files, insert the others files in order. So you can also take the new document. So I just take the new document here. Okay, and now we are going to process further. Okay, just open your new documents, and here we need to go in insert and come to the text area, and now we need to go in object option. Just click on this down button, and we need to go in text from file option. Just click on it and just navigate where you have saved your file. So I have saved my file in this folder. So you can see I have renamed it like O1 and 002. Okay, so so that they can place the right order. Okay, if you select them in order that you want to place, so it will be place them in alphabetically. So I just recommend just rename your file so that your file will be insert in correct way. So just select the just rename your file like O1 O2 and continue. I have only two files, so I just rename O1 and O2. Okay, I just select the all file, just hit the control key and select the file and just going to insert. Okay, so you can see this is my file number 1 and this is file number 2. Okay, in my file number I have text only, one heading, and other I have in other file I have tables, image, and other and heading. Okay, so you can see they also take your formatting, and it will be good to merge other files into one document. So here you can see I have insert the other files into one document here. Okay, now you can save it. Go to the file and you can save it. Okay, you can save it as a PDF. Just go to the just click on save as, go to the, and now go to the browse. Okay, and just select the folder where you want to save. Now here you need to select the PDF format and just rename it and save it. So now you can see it will be open in PDF. It will be open directly. You can see page number 1 and 2 has been added. Okay, you can also save as a other format, like you can also save as same format like Word documents. Go to the browse, and here you need to select the Word documents and save it. Okay, so that is the process. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.